Okay, I am making this video for Dina. I promised her I would make a video in regards to how to set up a Google Classroom, which is very easy to do, but anyone can benefit from this tutorial, and I really suggest that you set up a Google Classroom if you do not have a platform that your school uses, whether a proprietary platform or a general platform that your school uses to communicate with your students outside of the classroom and provide additional supports outside of the classroom. Okay, this is great, especially if students are sick or they missed a day. You can update them as to what they missed or inform them. Alright, pretty easy. What you want to do is you want to open up a web browser. Google Chrome obviously is going to work better because it's a Google Classroom. Go to google.com. Now in your right hand corner, if you're using English version or if you're using the Arabic version, it's going to be in your left hand corner. You're going to see that you're logged into your account. Okay, you should be logged into your account for this to work. You have to be logged into your account. Okay, you'll see that there. Okay, next to your sign in to your account, there is one box composed of 9 smaller boxes. What I want you to do is click that, and then I want you to go to more, and at the bottom you should see the Google Classroom app. That verifies that you already have the app in your account. Now if you do not already have the app in your account, no problem. All you have to do is in the search bar type in Google Classroom, and then what you can do is automatically click on the classroom right here, and then it'll automatically download into your account if it's not already there. Okay, now when I clicked on it just now, it showed all of my Google projects or classrooms. Okay, if you don't already have it, it should download into the account for you. You can also go into your phone, into the Google Play Store, and download, and I think it also, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it automatically download into your laptop account also. I believe so. I'm 95% sure that's correct. Okay, so if for some apparent reason, let's go back to google.com here, you start off on this page and you go into the one box composed of 9 smaller boxes and there's no Google Classroom, all you have to do is Google Classroom and it should automatically download once you tap the link, or you can go into your Play Store. Okay, alright, so let's say that you have it or you downloaded it. Now the app is there, you just click on it, and then what I'll show is all of your current classrooms. As you can see, I have many classrooms because I do a lot of training. Okay, now what you want to do is there'll be a plus sign here. You want to click that plus sign. You can either join a class. Let's say you want to join one of my classes. There's a code that you click, or that the teacher will give you, and then you can join a class if you have the code, or you can create a class. For this case, in this case, we're creating a class, so we click create a class. They'll ask you some questions, you know, whether just for educational purposes it is, continue, and then you can create the name of the class. So for our purposes, let's do English Pathways. It's the name of course, so it should be capitalized, with Dina. Okay, and we'll call it English ESL, and the subject is English, and the room we'll just say Al-Sadara, just and Dina knows what I'm talking about there, and then we'll create. Okay, and it's creating the classroom. And there we go. There we go. We have the classroom created. still creating. Okay, now Dina and anyone else, you'll see that this is the class code right here. So what you want to do is you definitely want to give that to your students. Alright, you can also add students if you have their emails, their Gmail accounts. Okay, this is a very easy platform to use, very user friendly. So Dina, if you want, I think I can make you an admin. It's probably better, Dina, if you just do it yourself. Right, just follow the steps so you can have control of your classroom. I think that's much. I think, because I don't think I can make you an admin. So make your own classroom so you can control your classroom. Here, if you click create, you can create an assignment, you can create a quiz, you can ask students a question, you can create material that you want to upload, like a worksheet or a video you want the students to watch, or a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and what I find important, Dina, let's say I create a material and I say English writing if I can spell tips. Alright, and then I can make a little description. This worksheet offers tips on writing. Okay, and then what I like to do, so it's nice and organized for your students, is I like to make sure I create a topic, and I say this topic is under writing. So anything dealing with writing will fall under that folder. And then let's say that's, let me grab a video to make it worthwhile. Some writing tips. Right. We're just gonna pull a video from online. Okay, so we'll pull this one.
The University of Texas at Austin brings you.
Alright, that's all we wanted to do. And for this link, that's a YouTube video, so we can click YouTube. In this case, we could have did it several ways. Okay, click that and then add. So there you go, you got the video there. Or we could have clicked this link right here and added a link or Google form, anything. It's pretty easy to use. And then post. So now post, and you notice now you got a heading here that says writing. So if you post a lot of things in this classroom, you want it organized so your students can easily find it. So let's say we had a reading folder and then a writing folder, we can create a reading folder, so on and so forth. A listening folder, we can put in listening opportunities. Okay, so, and I'll just show you another example of that organization. Let's see. Let's see a good example. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's do that one. Now see how I have all of these listening opportunities. You can use these also, Dina. Okay, these will be actually excellent for you to use. Alright, so you see I have all this Boston Tea Party lesson, meeting video, more OWLS materials, and everything's nice and organized, so when the student's looking for it, or even you're looking for it, you can find it quite easily. So hopefully this helps you out. As again, it's a great way to give your students quizzes, assessments. It's a great way to upload information for students who were absent. It's a great way to give supplemental activities to supplement what you're doing in the classroom, and it's free, and we have to love free. Alright, so thank you for your time. Hopefully this helps you out.